Attention all woodworkers, it's time for Anatomy of a Clamp. Today we'll be taking a closer look at the Pony Rapid Acting Band Clamp. When you have an oddly shaped project, reach for one of these strapping clamps. Durable steel levers let you adjust the band in a flash. Adjustable plastic jaws help protect your work. And once the band is secure, simply twist the Acme threaded screw to give your projects a soft, snug embrace or a bone-crushing bear hug. With more than 15 feet of high-strength nylon band, you'll have no problem clamping all sorts of oddly shaped stuff. It all adds up to a clamp that'll give you the perfect squeeze for your project's needs. Because we don't compromise on our clamps, and you don't compromise on your work. Visit PonyJorgensen.com to get yours.